So that's the name. And I got mine on Amazon. So yeah, it does come with pearls with this. And it does have these things here that you can put your pearls in. Okay, let's open it up and show you. Comes with those, the pearls. Let me put this back. All right, so you grab your little silver thingies and you put it right in there like that. I don't know if you can see it. Right there, okay? Then you grab your pearls. Depends on what size that you are using. Oops, I'm dropping everything. So right there, as you can see, insert the pearl in there. Oh, I need a smaller one. Hold on, we're getting there. Making a mess. Oh my goodness. I think I just dropped the little ones. Okay, then you insert the pearls like that, and it's ready to go. I've done this with ribbon and fabric, so I put your fabric, or I'm gonna use ribbon because I don't have fabric right now in hand, and you press on this little thing here. Oops. Okay, so now you press like that. Right, and there you go. Oh, get over here. Check that out. You can use it on fabric, on ribbon. I recommend using the small ones for the ribbon. So yeah, it looks pretty good. What do you guys think? So get you one of these. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching.